For us.
Yeah, it has been. You know, it's been a week that I certainly haven't experienced before since I've become a manager. You know, obviously, I'd already arranged with Ebbsfleet to bring John Akinde and Danny Stubbs in. You know, and then obviously during the week we've lost Andy Constable and Kingy. You know, and then we find out today because of the postal strike that Sam Denley can't play today. So he's had to miss out, and then we've got 2 injuries within the first half. But I'm proud of the boys today. I'm very proud of them. I've dug them out a little bit in the press, and I've dug them out in my programme notes, and like I said to them, and they're getting a bit of criticism from outside as well. So, but as always, as they've always done, they've always responded to it in the right way, and they responded today with what I thought was a very accomplished performance. I thought it was a great football match. I thought it was a great football match between 2 very good sides. Leatherhead are a very good side, and it's a big result for us today. It's one that we needed. But it's nice to win our first league game at home as well. It just gets us. Hopefully that might get us going. But I'm not going to get carried away. We go to Corinthian Casuals on Tuesday, and we've got to put in the same sort of performance with that heart and desire. I thought Stubbsy and John Akinde. I thought John Akinde was unplayable first half. They couldn't handle him. Stubbsy gives us great engine in the middle of the park, and that's why I wanted to bring them in. And they've done a fantastic job for us. I'm sure they're going to continue to do a fantastic job. But there was other great performances all round. It was great for John Neal. He takes a lot of criticism from some supporters, and I can't understand it. You ask the players will tell you. There's no one works harder for the team than John Neal, and it took a lot of courage to walk up and take a penalty. And he's done that. He's put it home, and it's a great victory for us.
Yeah, it certainly is. And all but for a last-minute sort of jitters as he was approaching goal, he could have had 3. Because
well, yeah, but
it was a weird one, wasn't it?
No, well, it took a nasty bobble. Bobbled up on him just as he was just about to hit it. What I mean? So, but it happens in football. I'll have to have a word with Joe and Bruce about the pitch there. I don't expect balls wobbling. No, but
rather you than me.
Yeah, so it's so it's Joe and Bruce's fault, not John Neal. But he's gone through there, and when you're standing in the technical area and that, you stand there and you think, oh, that third one would have killed the game off, and that would have been game, set, and match. But the defence were rocks today. And like I say, it's been an hard week for us. I was dreading the phone call. Any phone call, people we didn't think Danny Tittle was going to be here till very late, and he managed to get here. So our backs were against the wall, but we can't trump today. Put in a great performance, and I thought we showed a lot of quality today. Played with a smile, played with an exuberance, if you like, that we haven't had so far this season. And I thought that's the first time I've been able to say this season that we've dominated the game, and that we've rightly, that we've got the right result, and we've got the right result. We've got the result we deserved. We deserved our 3 points. It was nice of them to say that we deserved it. I thought we wanted it more than them on the day. I thought we outplayed them on the day. But like I say, they are a very, very good side, and I think that just goes to show how well we did play today.
Yeah, I think everything you said there I would wholeheartedly agree with. One of the old boys I stand alongside said to me, it looks like watching Whitstable Wolves last year.
Well, I don't get carried away in things like that, because at the end of the day, last year was last year. Now we're playing against quality sides. There weren't no teams like Leatherhead in our league last year. I know the top sides, Thamesmeads and the VCDs, are very strong, but they're not they're not a Leatherhead. And Leatherhead are a very established side. That they won't be too far away at the end. I fully expect them to see them in the playoffs. So today was a great performance for us, and I've said in my notes that I think a few of the players are starting to find their feet, and I think a few more found their feet today, and then hopefully within the next few couple of weeks everyone's going to be finding their feet, and we'll be okay. But it puts us up into double figures now on points. And that's good. This time last year I think we had about 48 points, didn't we? So, No, but it's good though. But it's good. It's good. Win thing, and it's a good win for us today. And obviously, if results go our way, in this league, because like I've always said, it's a proper football league. This is no disrespect to Kent League, but and every Kent League manager in there will tell you, there's games that they know they're going to win. Whereas in this league, we was talking about it. I was talking to their manager Dave Harlow before the game. It's a very good league, because if someone has an off day, you get beat, whether you're at the top or you're at the bottom. And that's why in this league everyone beats each other, because the team that has the off day loses. And and maybe they weren't quite at the races today. I've seen them a couple of times and they've been ever so strong, but I thought they played. I didn't think they played bad today. And I thought that the front 2 looked sharp for them. But I just felt that we upped our game on the day, and I don't want to take anything away from us, because it was a great performance. and all I can do is take me out to the lads, and I'm very proud of every single one of them.
And so you